Yo, what's up, YouTube? Welcome back to another recap. First of all, I wish happy holidays to everyone who's celebrating. Obviously I'm not because I'm a Muslim, but I still wish everyone who's celebrating a really good time with their friends and family. But anyways, I took a trade on 23rd of December, like 2 days ago. I took a trade. I didn't took a trade today, which was 25 of December. Neither did I like yesterday, which it was like 24th December. But I think I did found like some pretty good setups, but I still wasn't gonna take any trades because I've seen all over TikTok and on the internet not take any trades these days. I did took on Monday, but I'm gonna go over to my trade recap real quick. So over here, I have market open. I had this liquidity mark out, which got swept. I mean, it could be this liquidity as well. Like you could say that as well. But I was actually working, and I had my alarm over here. It got like activated once price crossed below that line. Once it did, I went to my 1 minute time frame and I was actually waiting for a what it's called like a fair value gap on the 1 minute time frame. Yeah, I was waiting for a bearish fair value gap or a no, a bullish fair value gap or a inverse bearish fair value gap. So over here basically I had I think oh my god. I think I had like an inverse fair value gap as well, which I didn't pay any attention to it because I was actually working. So first, I'm gonna tell you my setup with why I took the trade. So there was a liquidity sweep. It was like not the most perfect 10 out of 10 sweep when like the wick passes below the line on the 1 minute time frame, then it goes up, it closes above the line. No, it wasn't that, but yeah, we had like a one candle close below it, then the next one was above, which is still really good. And then it never went down like below the actual line. So basically, I found the fair value gap over here, and I waited for some go reaction and a tap in. You could say this was a go reaction, but it wasn't like an actual tap in. I was waiting like for a tap in. You get what I mean. So I got the tap in over here. I got a good reaction out of it. I entered off to this candle, but my fail got in over here because I actually took the trade on MetaTrader 5. And when I entered the trade, I was over here. I have my stops over here. I was actually first going for like this, something like this, but I was scared I'm gonna get liquidated, so I was like, I'm just gonna play it safe and like go for a less risk reward ratio, which again it was like 2.1, which is still really good if you actually think about it. Two risk reward ratio 1.5 and above, in my opinion, is actually really good. So I got into the trade over here. I targeted the 1 minute high, which was this over here, or you could say I think it was like 5 minutes. What? No, it was like it was something on the 5 or 15 minutes. Let me actually see where that is. Um, no, well, yeah, it wasn't nothing, but again, 1 minute. I just target the 1 minute high, which is another go like price target, and yeah, it got hit in like how many minutes? You can see like in about 20 minutes, my take profit got hit. I was working. I didn't open my phone again, and I was like going with the mentality that I stick to my plans and whatever is gonna happen and I'm gonna learn from it. But anyways, we had this inverse fair value gap, which also got tapped in, which is super good. Like first it got disrespected, then came back, price tapped in. So that trade was actually an A plus setup, I think. I mean, the sweep could be like the 1 minute sweep could be way better, but other than that, that was a pretty good setup if you actually think about it. So yeah, that's pretty much it for today. I'm gonna go to my Notion journal to show you like the actual journal. Yeah, over here we have your USD trade over here on the 23rd of December. These were the timings. Like I entered at 30, like 30 minutes later after market opened. I got take profit hit in like 23 minutes, which is not bad. Um, my initial investment will be like $20, and I will have made 45 back plus the 20 investment that I put. So pretty good. I caught like 6.4 pips. I assume this over here, which says target 0.006. Then you can see like before the amount 6.4. That's the like the take like the pip. And yeah, I got like 6.4 pips. I could potentially had lost if my trade went to my stop loss like 3 pips, and I was longing. And rating, I'm not gonna type much anymore since the setup is actually really good. So just a clean fair value gap, 15-minute liquidity, 1 minute imbalance, New York session, and Euro USD was my pair. Over here I have screenshots for the 1 minute time frame. As you can see, pretty good. Then I have over here the 15-minute time frame, which also looks really good. So you can say I'm kind of improving on my trades. I also have the MetaTrader 5 screenshot. So I've took only 2 trades recently, and I made like a trade recap for both of them. So first we had this over here, which I did like the last trade recap, and the recent trade, which is this one, it was this one over here. Like Euro USD by 3 was my lot size. I know it's low, but I'm like on a 5,000 euro dollar like account size. So I'm trying to risk like 3% on every trade. So calculating lot size is kind of hard. I have to get used to that. So yeah, 3% will be like, I think that will be $150, and I got like a 2 point RR. So I was supposed to get back like 300, like 300 US dollar on this trade, but I got like more than like a bit of its half. So I guess my investment was like 75. I think 75 was my like position on this trade if I actually am right with my calculations. But anyway, stop loss was over here. You can see take profit, and you can see the timings as well. Yeah, I was like pretty late, so that's why I got filled afterwards. I was like almost a minute late. But anyways, yeah, I think that's all for today. I tried to go more in depth than usually. But yeah, that's gonna be it for today, guys, and I'll see you on the next trade, which is gonna be probably next year. Let's see. Till then, take care of yourself. Peace.